How to change Amazon address. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can change your Amazon address, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now in order to basically change your Amazon address, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is launch the Amazon application here, and once you launch the Amazon app you will see this type of interface. Just tap on the account icon from the bottom left of the screen and you will see this interface again, where what you have to do is just tap on the your account from the very top. Once you go to your account and you come to this page, you'll be able to see various sorts of options, where what you actually need to do is just go to this option that is your addresses. So tap on the your addresses option here. Then all you have to do is you can add a new address. You can't add it if you only have one address because that is set as your default address. To change the address, add a secondary address by tapping on add a new address option, enter the details and tap on add address. Then you can choose to make that your default, and then you can choose to remove the current one if you'd like. That's all it takes to change your Amazon address. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.